Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. On today's video, I want to share with us a recipe that we can do if nothing is working in our life. If we have been into poverty, abject poverty, if you want to welcome prosperity in your life, if you want to welcome open doors in your life, if you want people to favor you, if you want to get connection in this year 2024, make sure you watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. You are welcome back to Chima Mata Spiritual TV. On this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural roots, natural herbs, natural plants that God has created, and using their spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. If this is your first time of joining us, please don't hesitate to subscribe on the red button down below this video. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, share my videos, comment on the comment section. And for those of you who are my day one gang, my bona fide subscribers, those of you who has brought me this far, I pray for you that the sky is your stepping stone. You will never cast and carry, and you will never suffer for what you do not know. Thank you for always coming back here to patronize me. Thank you for always supporting me in money and in kind. Thank you for introducing me to people. Thank you also for making the whole world to know that what I am doing on here is working perfectly for you people. May God bless you all. Without wasting each and every one of your time, have you been in abject poverty? Have you been suffering to make ends meet? There is not favor, hatred all over the places, poverty all over the places. Even when you invest your money in a new business, you will not see that money. You suffer, no help, no connection, no employment, no good living. If this is your case, this recipe is for you. If you do this starting from today, anytime you get this video, if you can do this, because this recipe you have to do it completely 4 days, and you will see your life will change. Believe you me, the universe is going to enter inside that house and break every yoke of stagnation, break every yoke of poverty, every yoke of rising and falling. If you can do this, follow my instruction and do this, you are going to get a better result. On this recipe, what you will be needing is 1 lemon. Just a lemon. We all know the spiritual benefit of lemon. Lemon possesses the powers to destroy evil, to repair negative energy. Lemon also cleanses. It cleanses the body for pollution, and it cleans your home for negative energy. So we'll be needing 1 lemon. Another item you will be needing, for those of you who are fire element, this work will work within the interval of 4 days for you. Before you finish the recipe, you will see the result. You will be needing 1 green candle. 1 green candle. Other item you will be needing on this recipe is your honey. Original honey like this one. This one is original honey. Then another item is your coin. You have to use 1 coin. Any type of coin you have, because we are doing it for prosperity. We are doing it for open doors. We want the universe to bless you. You want things to be moving for you. You want to get employed. You want to get connection. You want to meet people that matters in this year 2024. Go and look for a coin, whether an old coin or new coin. But before I tell you how this recipe works, I will introduce my product on here for those of you who are joining us very first time. I'm going to do it fast because of our time, so that I can teach you the recipe of today. For those of you who are joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, it's all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips. We have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. And a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. We have the road opening soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the spiritual cleansing bad detours. This cleansing bad detours will cleanse your aura. It will remove bad luck. It will remove set backwardness. We have the favor soap. We have the curse breaking soap. We have the mercy and favor soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the stop evil perfume. We have the stop evil oil. We have the 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil. We also have the Equable Plus Detox listing. The Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. Have you eaten something in the dream? Is something moving inside your body? You have had sex in the dream, and from that sex you have in the dream, you have been sick. When the doctors diagnose it, they see nothing. Something has been moving all over your body. You are experiencing scratches, burning inside your ankles, burning inside your body. This is not ordinary. This is evil manipulation. And I have the antidote that will cure you from that problem that you are into, from that manipulation that you are into, from that moving object, from that scratches, from that burning, from that sickness that has no cure. The product is called Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. I can beat up my chest 100 times and tell you that this product is tested and trusted. All my products are tested and trusted. So if you need this product, if you need to solve your problem, if you need any of my spiritual product, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. My number is +234 7088 136610. +234 7088 136610. That is my number. We ship all part of the whole world. We ship in Europe, Asia, America, South America. We use DHL, EMS, FedEx. Within the interval of 4 days to 5 days, your order will get to your doorstep. And if you need me to do anything spiritually for you, you want us to join our faith together to solve your spiritual problem or to look inside your spiritual problem, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. So for those of you who are online, who are just watching me on here, and for those of you who are going to watch me later, don't hesitate to go back to my channel and watch my old videos. There might be a solution to what you are looking for. On today's recipe on how you can welcome prosperity and drive away poverty and drive away backwardness and drive away suffering and open the doors and make the doors of financing, the door of favor, the doors of likeness to embrace you. All you will be needing is 1 lemon, 1 green candle, your coin, and your honey. Look at how this recipe goes. This lemon, you have to cut it horizontally, and you are going to use one side of it, which is the bottom side. Then when you get it, you open inside at the middle so that you can be able to stand your candle inside the middle of the lemon. Remember, we also have one item which will bring prosperity, which is called cinnamon powder. We are going to use this cinnamon powder in order to bring prosperity. And why we are using the lemon is to drive away every negativities, every evil spirit that is making prosperity not to enter your home, that is causing blockages in your vicinity. And the light we are going to light is the light of prosperity. Where there is light, it drives away darkness. And honey is a sweetener. It's going to bring sweet thing in your life. So let us go. Number 1, you are going to use a little honey. First, you apply a little honey to the lemon for prosperity. Then, you bring your coin. This coin will always call money to your pocket. It will always call good thing to meet you on your way. Anywhere you speak about business, it will come to pass. And this recipe, you will do it for 4 days. You add your coin to it inside the lemon. Look at it. Then you take a little bit of cinnamon. This is my cinnamon. You pour your cinnamon. I have poured a lot on it. You pour your cinnamon on it to bring in good vibe. The last item is your candle. You stand it like this. Make sure it's going to stand. Then you begin to make your prayers. Call the universe, call the God in heaven, call the Almighty God. Call my father's deities and ancestors. Tell them that they should come and help you. You call your name 7 good times and say, let prosperity enter my home. Let prosperity come inside my life, left and right, back and front. Wherever there is good thing, may my foot step into good thing. Starting from today, you name the date. Today's date, you name the date of that day you are doing this assignment. Look at the way it is. You name the date that you have lighted the light of prosperity, and no evil, no evil man, no evil woman, no spirit will quench this light. You light the green candle. After an hour, you come there and make a request what you need the universe to do for you. Allow the candle to burn to the nyash. You remove it the second day, go back there and light second candle. You have to buy 4 candles for 4 days. Do this completely 4 days. And this will drive away negative energy, will drive away poverty, and bring in richnesses, and bring in prosperity, and bring in open doors. People will love you. People will favor you. You will get employed. People will call you. Connection will come from left and right, back and front. Go and try this recipe out and come back here with your great testimony. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor. Put your hand on the bell. Subscribe to the red button down below this video. Like my videos, share my videos, comment on the comment section. Even if you don't like me, but like this video. If you don't like me, just do me a favor. Give me the like, and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.